be 125 time units, and then finally activity F won't be completed until 130 time units. So the duration of the project is 130 time units. We're now going to do the backwards scan. So the backwards scan is going to, we're going to be asking our question, what is the earliest possible time? What's the earliest possible time the starting time for each event for each activity? So that's the forward scan, the earliest possible time that the activity could start. The backwards scan, we're going to be asking ourselves from the end, what's the latest starting time for each event in the right half of the node. So the latest possible starting time that we could possibly start event or activity F is 125 time units. We can't delay activity F at all because that would delay the project. So that's going to have 125 in there. Similarly, 125 minus 10 means that activity E can't be started until 115 time units. We're now going to go back to the latest possible starting time for activity B. Now we don't have to start activity B until 110 time units because it's only going to take 5 time units to be completed, and we don't need to have it completed until 115. So if we start that at 110, that would be sufficient. Now activity D does need to be started at 15 because it takes 100 and it needs to be completed by 115, and the beginning needs to have a 0 in there. So the start is always 0, 0, and the finish is always both the project durations in there. So that's backward scanning.